Hi everybody. Let's draw a turkey. You will need some red, some yellow, a black, a brown, and some other shades. We'll see. So grab yourself a paper, and in the center of the page, go like that. It's going to be the turkey's hat. Go like that, and like that. That's the brim of the hat. Little cowboy style hat. Got a little kind of a buckle on the hat. Like this. Switch to my more detailed side of the pen for the inside of that buckle. There you go. And you make a kind of a half circle underneath the hat for his face, his or her. 2 eyes on the turkey. Give the turkey a beak like that. Just a simple triangle. Little nostril holes. Probably should have just used the thinner side of the pen for that, of the marker. The pupils. The turkey neck. Down to the turkey body with some feathers. Go like that. Turkey legs. And turkey feet. Claws. Talons. And you go like that for one feather of the turkey tail, and like that for the other feather of the turkey tail. That's where the feather connects in the back. It'll make sense soon. And go like this, and do it on the other side. The big turkey tail. And do the same thing over here. And one more. Same thing on the other side. Let's color this turkey in, huh? Thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving.